Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Prepare yourselves for an epic exploration of the grandest squares the world has to offer. Today, we embark on a captivating journey to discover the top 5 largest squares on our planet, where history, culture, and human spirit intertwine. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the magnificence of these iconic public spaces. Our first destination takes us to the heart of Beijing, China, where we encounter the awe-inspiring Tiananmen Square. Sprawling across an astounding 109 acres, this colossal square stands as a testament to China's rich history and enduring resilience. Tiananmen Square has witnessed numerous historic events, from the foundation of the People's Republic of China in 1949 to the pro-democracy protests of 1989. It has served as a venue for grand military parades, cultural celebrations, and public gatherings of immense significance. The imposing Mao Zedong Memorial Hall and the national flag-raising ceremony add to the majestic ambiance of this iconic square. Our journey continues to Jakarta, Indonesia, where we find ourselves in the vibrant embrace of Merdeka Square, also known as Independence Square. Spanning approximately 74 acres, this expansive plaza is a symbol of Indonesia's arduous struggle for independence. Merdeka Square has been witness to historic moments, such as the proclamation of independence in 1945. It has become a gathering place for various cultural festivals, political rallies, and sporting events. With its manicured gardens, towering monuments, and a resplendent national monument at its center, Merdeka Square stands as a testament to the nation's unyielding spirit. Next, we find ourselves in the heart of Moscow, Russia, where the legendary Red Square beckons us with its magnetic charm. Spanning an area of about 73,000 square meters, this UNESCO World Heritage Site serves as a vibrant cultural and historical epicenter. Enclosed by the Kremlin's majestic walls and adorned by architectural wonders like the whimsical St. Basil's Cathedral, Red Square has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the grandeur of royal processions, and the celebration of momentous events such as Victory Day parades. It is a living testament to Russia's rich heritage and an enduring symbol of national pride. Our journey now takes us to Cairo, Egypt, where we find ourselves in the midst of the historic Tahrir Square. Spanning around 29 acres, this square has become an enduring symbol of the Egyptian people's pursuit of freedom, democracy, and social justice. Tahrir Square gained global attention during the Egyptian Revolution in 2011, where massive crowds gathered to demand political change. It has been the focal point for protests, rallies, and celebrations, and its central location near iconic landmarks such as the Egyptian Museum and the Nile River adds to its allure. Tahrir Square stands as a testament to the power of the people and their unwavering commitment to shaping their own destiny. Our final destination brings us to the captivating city of Buenos Aires, Argentina, where the iconic Plaza de Mayo captivates visitors with its historical significance and architectural grandeur. Encompassing around 11 acres, this square holds a special place in the hearts of the Argentine people. Plaza de Mayo has witnessed pivotal moments in the nation's history, from the May Revolution in 1810 that marked the beginning of Argentina's independence struggle to the protests of the mothers of the Plaza de Mayo, demanding justice for their disappeared children during the military dictatorship. The square's architectural gems, including the imposing Casa Rosada, the Presidential Palace, and the Metropolitan Cathedral, make it a captivating blend of political and religious symbolism. And there you have it, fellow explorers, a journey through the grandest squares our world has to offer. From the vastness of Tiananmen Square to the historical significance of Plaza de Mayo, these squares have borne witness to the triumphs and tribulations of humanity throughout the ages. They are not mere spaces but living testaments to the power of unity, resilience, and the unwavering spirit of the people. Which square fascinated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on future adventures around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring.